With Power BI and data filters, we have the ability to leverage the vast amounts of data to gain clear and meaningful insights. There are different types of data filters we have in Power BI, and today we're gonna look at those different types of filtering on one example. So the first one will be the page filtering. These filters are applied to an entire report page and affect all the visual elements on the page. So for example, we have here a simple chart with some data on it. For example, like the employee name and the pay rate. And for page filtering, you have to open the filters, and then you have here a section called filters on this page, and you can drag and drop an attribute or a filter, and you can now apply some filtering specific for this report page. So there'll be another filtering possibility, the visual filtering. So for example, if I remove this one, if we have different visuals, for example, we put another one here and we put this chart and make it more clear. Here we have the option to apply specific filtering on individual visuals. For example, if I select the first chart, then we have on this section filtering on this visual. I put department there and can filter the first chart just for this field, and I can apply a different field and filtering for the other one. For example, I can put the position here and have the possibility to apply different filtering on different charts. Then there'll be some intersection filtering. This type of filter is commonly used in reports with many dimensions. They allow data to be sliced according to specific dimensions for more detailed analysis. What do I mean with this one? So for example, I remove the filtering from the charts here as well. And in the visual section, there is a data slicer. You will find them here. It's called slicer. And I can change the field I want to slice the data on. For example, just the manager name, or I do the employee source. And I can apply this slicer and can filter now this chart. I can also apply specific filtering, so to say that there can be the case that you don't want to filter this chart but another one. Then you have to go to the format section and click on edit interactions, and then you can specify if you want to filter this chart or if you don't want to filter this chart. The last one is a top-N filtering. Top-N filtering, this option allows you to select the top or bottom values based on your specific metrics. For example, we have here the possibility to do some basic filtering. So you just click on one of those fields and you can choose top-N filtering and say, for example, the top 5 and employee status, and then it filters accordingly. So the combination of these different filter types allow users to be flexible for their data, to analyze them, and with Power BI and the many possibilities of data filtering, companies can gain insights, identify trends, and make better business decisions. So please subscribe to this channel so that I can make more videos, and thanks to everyone who supports this channel. Bye bye.